This is the Nokia T10, a super compact, portable and affordable little tablet coming in at just 3,000 rands. At that price, you get a decent 8-inch display, fantastic battery life and a stereo speaker setup. However, this tablet was released in 2022, so the big question is, should you still consider buying this tablet in 2023? Well, let's find out. Before continuing this review, I am the South African tech YouTuber, and if you could like, share and subscribe, as well as follow me on my other social media platforms, it would be much appreciated. When it comes to the design and construction of the T10, the back panel is made from a textured polycarbonate material. The front houses the 8-inch display, and the tablet overall feels solid in the hand, and most importantly, it does not feel huge like other tablets. In fact, most people can quite comfortably hold this tablet in one hand. Despite the tablet being made primarily of plastic, it does not feel cheap at all in the hand. Taking a look around the device, the right-hand side has the volume rockers, the left-hand side houses the dual SIM tray, whereby you can either put 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and an SD card. The bottom has the USB-C port for charging, main speaker and microphone. Finally, the top has the secondary speaker, headphone jack and power on and off button. The phone only comes in one color, rather the tablet only comes in one color, which is this dark blue. And the back has Nokia branding on it and also houses the 8-megapixel camera with a flash. The fantastic lightweight size of this tablet makes it easy to just throw in almost any bag without even knowing it's there. Despite its size, it's not so small like a smartphone or too big like normal tablets, but it lies just in between. This perfect size allows you to comfortably read documents, and you can even connect a Bluetooth keyboard to it to get some serious work done. For protection, the plastic back with the included cover that Nokia provides means the tablet should be durable enough to last a long time. In the screen department, the T10 has an 8-inch display with very chunky bezels on the top, bottom and sides. The top bezel does house the 2-megapixel camera and light sensor. The resolution of the screen is 800 by 1280 pixels, so basically it is an HD display. The refresh rate is only 60 Hz. Despite the lower end specs for the screen, the phone will get the job done for watching media content. Also, the display is Netflix HD certified, and HD support for Widevine L1 is supported. At this price point and the consumers that this tablet is aimed at, the screen quality is not bad at all, and I had no major issues with it in my testing. Now, the T10 does have an 8-megapixel shooter with autofocus, but being a lower end tablet, don't expect an amazing camera experience. That being said, if you are a student and need this tablet to take pics of your work or documents, it will definitely get the job done. The camera is there for necessity, and that is expected at this affordable price. Okay, so now let's talk performance. The T10 has an octa-core Unisoc processor with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, which is expandable via the SD card. Again, this is not high-end specs, but combined with the clean software that Nokia have put on here, performance was solid and the tablet felt surprisingly snappy when navigating through the user interface. Using social media apps, browsing the web and doing normal day-to-day tasks is no issue at all whilst using this tablet. Don't expect amazing gaming performance on the T10, although I was just about able to play PUBG at lower settings. That being said, I recommend playing lighter games like Subway Surfers instead of heavier games in order to get a good experience. Software-wise, the Nokia T10 launched in 2022 with Android 12. However, it has since been updated to Android 13 and will now get one more upgrade to Android 14. Nokia also promised 3 years of security updates, which will allow this tablet to be supported up to 2025. The clean, bloatware-free Android 13 feel on this tablet is fantastic and makes the daily experience easy and fluid. The 5250 mAh battery on the T10 is more than capable of lasting you the entire day of medium usage, and you can always top it up with the 10-watt charger given in the box if needs be. When it comes to biometrics, the Nokia T10 does not have a fingerprint scanner, but it does have a face unlock feature which works fast and accurately. The T10 comes in a Wi-Fi version or 4G LTE version, which I have here. The tablet is also splash resistant, so it can handle minor water spills, but don't expect to go swimming with it. And lastly, it has fantastic stereo speakers on the bottom and the top of the device, and the sound quality is immersive and loud. So that is the Nokia T10. I think this is the perfect tablet for either school-going kids who need a general basic tablet which is not too big or expensive but will be able to do the basic tasks such as online classes, taking notes, watching YouTube, and even doing a little bit of gaming. The clean user interface and the promise of one more software update and 2 more years of security updates by Nokia means this tablet was built to last, and I think it is definitely still worth it in 2023 as it ticks all the key boxes. Okay, so that's it from me, and as always, I hope you found value in this video. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next one.